नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी प्राध्यापक केशव चेमटे KDC बायोफंडामध्ये आपले स्वागत करीत आहे. टुडे we discuss regarding the chapter wise mark distribution and question paper pattern for 12th science biology. तर मग पाहूयात कोणत्या प्रकरणाला किती मार्क. Unit first, reproduction. It includes two chapters, that is chapter 1, reproduction in lower and higher plants, compulsory 6 mark and 8 mark with option. Chapter number 2, reproduction in lower and higher animals, compulsory 6 mark and 8 mark with option. Then unit second, genetics and evolution. It includes 3 chapters, that is the chapter number 3, inheritance and variation. Chapter number 4, molecular basis of inheritance. Chapter number 5, origin and evolution of life. Compulsory 4 mark for each chapter and 6 mark with option. Unit 3, that is the physiology. It includes 4 chapters, that is the chapter 6, plant water relation. Compulsory 5 marks and 7 mark with option. Chapter 7, plant growth and mineral nutrition. Compulsory 5 marks and 7 with option. Chapter 8, respiration and circulation. Compulsory 7 mark and 10 mark with option. Chapter 9, control and coordination. Compulsory 8 mark and 11 mark with option. Then unit 4, applied biology. It includes 3 chapters, that is the chapter number 10, human health and diseases. Compulsory 3 marks and 4 mark with option. Chapter 11, enhancement of food production. Compulsory 4 marks and 6 mark with option. Chapter 12, biotechnology. Compulsory 5 mark and 7 mark with option. Then unit number 5, ecology and environment. It also includes 3 chapters, that is the chapter number 13, organism and population. Chapter 14, ecosystem and energy flow. Chapter 15, biodiversity, conservation and environmental issues. Compulsory 3 mark for each chapter and 4 mark with option. Here unit number 1, reproduction. Total 12 compulsory and 16 option marks. Unit second, genetics and evolution. 12 compulsory and 18 option marks. Unit 3, physiology. 25 compulsory and 35 option marks. Unit 4, applied biology. 12 compulsory and 17 option marks. Unit 5, ecology and environment. 9 compulsory and 12 option marks. In all these 5 units, unit 3 is very important because it is having 25 compulsory marks and the 35 option marks. तर मग पाहूयात कशी असेल आपली बोर्डाची प्रश्नपत्रिका. 70 मार्कासाठी 3 तासाचा वेळ असून यामध्ये 4 सेक्शन्स आहेत. सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी, सेक्शन सी अँड सेक्शन डी. सेक्शन ए मध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 चा समावेश करण्यात आलेला आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सिलेक्ट अँड राईट करेक्ट आन्सर फॉर 10 मार्क्स. Contains 10 multiple choice of questions carrying 1 mark each. Correct answer must be written along with its alphabet. या ठिकाणं विद्यार्थ्यांनी एक ध्यानात ठेवायचे की यामध्ये अल्फाबेट आणि ॲप्रोप्रिएट आन्सर दोन्हीही लिहिणं आवश्यक आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आन्सर द फॉलोइंग फॉर 8 मार्क. Contain 8 very short answer type of questions carrying 1 mark each. Here section A is compulsory and is for 18 marks. Then section B, attempt any 8 16 marks. It contains question number 3 to question number 14 are short answer type of questions carrying 2 mark each. यामध्ये 12 प्रश्नापैकी 8 प्रश्न लिहिणे आवश्यक आहे. सेक्शन सी, attempt any 8 for 24 marks. It contains question number 15 to question number 26 are short answer type of questions carrying 3 marks each. 12 प्रश्नापैकी 8 प्रश्न लिहिणे आवश्यक आहे. The last section, that is the section D, attempt any 3 12 marks. Contain question number 27 to question number 31 are long answer type of questions carrying 4 mark each. 5 प्रश्नापैकी 3 प्रश्न लिहिणे आवश्यक आहे. सेक्शन ए for 18 marks MCQ and very short answer type. This one is compulsory one. Section B for 16 marks. Section C for 24 marks and section D for 12 marks.